The level of turbulence in the information space is growing rapidly. Security has become a broad and complex concept, and being competent in matters related to media literacy, strategic communication, technologies and cybersecurity is important to us as individuals, as well as representatives of states and organizations.
It's important for all of us to look after ourselves in the same way that we would in the physical world. So you wouldn't leave your home without locking the front door. So if you've been online, then you should take the same precautions, and when you leave a site, make sure you close it in the same way that you close your front door.
Tas arī pašiem domāt, kā pareizi uzvesties, tajā pašā, teiksim, savā sociālos tīklos vēl kaut kur, kādi var būt draudi un kādi var būt visādas citas problēmas, kas ar šo saistītas. Līdz ar to, bet mēs vairāk tomēr sliecamies uz to, teiksim, uz to tehnisko pusi, teiksim, kad, piemēram, kā saka, jau tas noziegums citreiz ir noticis.
Idea of this master program is how to make specialists with more deep knowledge in virtual and augmented reality systems development, but also system design. We started virtual reality already 10 years ago with industrial training, so it was more related to food processing industry, but now we have, during these years, we have gathered experience also in logistics, in architecture, so how to visualize buildings outdoors, for industrial planning, for city planning.
However, there are no technologies in the world that can protect society that doesn't feel secure. And so it was in the Stone Age, and so it will be in the future. Study program Strategic Communication and Governance will help you better understand our society and different techniques of manipulation. Study program Strategic Communication and Governance is for future leaders with ambitions, not only to create great strategies, but to implement them.
We can talk about people's skills and ability to stand against hostile informations, disinformation, fake news, or whatever you call such content, so that we apply our critical thinking and we realize, so what is behind these things that we see or read on media.